Hey guys, Ed with Solomon's Landscape and Design out here on this cold January day. Ooh, I guess wintertime has finally arrived here in the Upstate of South Carolina. So actually the reason I was wanting to put together this video was talk about insurance and finding the proper contractors, ensuring that most reliable contractors will have the proper insurance on their business to ensure that anything that happens to your property is taken care of. The reason this is important, and I know I've talked about this beforehand, is because if something happens on the job site, damage to your property, they don't have the proper insurance. Potentially that could be applied to your homeowner's insurance, but then also that would mean your premiums possibly go up, and you may even be out of pocket money for a mistake that the contractor made. Story I want to tell you is actually, I think last May, springtime last year, we ended up doing a job. New septic system was installed on property, and so we were asked to come in, regrade it since it was a little rough, and then install sod on top. Well, long story short, septic system, leach fields, guess what? They hold water, a little wet. I made the mistake of renting the wrong piece of equipment. Ended up getting the machine stuck, and in the process of trying to unstick said machine, caused damage to the brand new septic system. Ouch! My pride was hurt really bad, and I know the homeowners weren't too happy in regards to this. The positive side is it didn't affect the homeowner's insurance. We do have liability insurance for this reason, and so we were able to go to our insurance company. I mean, the bill was only like $3,500, so even if we didn't go to our insurance company, we more than likely would have been able to handle that out of our own pockets to cover that. What I'm basically saying is, say example, if it's not $3,500, I mean, it's a good chunk of change, but if it's $10,000, $20,000 worth of damage, I don't know about many contractors that have that much cash on hand to pay for damages. And so making sure that they have the proper liabilities insurance to cover those expenses, so you're not taking a hit on your homeowner's insurance or coming out of pocket. Some companies, if they don't have the insurance may actually end up running and leaving you to deal with the mess. And so, just to protect yourself is making sure you have that. Another one is, what happens if there's an accident on the job site to one of the workers for the company? God forbid someone died. What happens then? If the company doesn't have the proper insurance in place, you as a homeowner potentially could be held liable. And so it's sort of buyer beware. I just want to make sure that when you are choosing a company, making sure that it is a reputable company and has the proper insurance. Some of the reasons that some companies charge a little bit more than others, darn right, is because the insurance. There's some people that are running around that don't have any insurance and are charging the lowest price. So again, buyer beware. Just to make sure that you guys are aware of this and making sure that you're checking insurance. I know spring is around the corner. It doesn't feel like it today, and so a lot of people will be looking for landscaping and other things to be done around the outside of the house. And so just to protect yourself, making sure that they have the proper liability, proper insurance to ensure that if something does happen, God forbid something does, but things do happen. Mistakes are made, errors are made. I know I'm not perfect, nobody is, and so things do happen occasionally. And so the insurance is there to protect you, the homeowner, from having a large bill for damages, or God forbid you get sued because of a worker got injured on the job site. So Again, thank you for your time. Ed with Solomon's Landscape. Make sure that you follow up and ensure that your contractors have the proper insurance to make sure that you're covered in case of an accident. Thank you very much. Have a great day.